Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to get the Google Drive video embed code. If you've ever wanted to share a video stored on Google Drive across various websites or platforms, you may have encountered the challenge of embedding it. This process is not immediately obvious, and many people find themselves frustrated trying to figure it out. However, once you know the steps, it becomes a straightforward task. This tutorial will guide you through every step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your Google Drive videos wherever you need them. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already logged into your account, you will need to enter your credentials to gain access to your drive. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a comprehensive list of your files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific video file you wish to embed. This might involve scrolling through your files or using the search function if you have a large number of items in your drive. Once you've identified the video file, click on the three vertical dots located next to it, which will bring up a menu with several options. Hover your cursor over the Share option to expand it into a few more selections. Here, you'll want to click on Share to proceed. A pop-up window will appear displaying the sharing settings for your video. By default, these settings are usually set to restricted, meaning only users you specify can view the video. To make your video more accessible, click on Restricted, and then select anyone with the link. This change allows anyone who has the link to view the video, significantly broadening its accessibility. Once you've made this change, click Done to save your new sharing settings. Now that your sharing settings are adjusted, the next step is to open your video file. Simply double-click on it to open it in a preview window. With the video open, look again for those three vertical dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on them and choose Open in New tab from the drop-down menu. This action is crucial as it opens your video in a full, separate browser tab, which is necessary for the next steps. With the video now opened in its own tab, click those three dots once more. This time, select Embed Item from the appearing menu. Clicking on Embed Item will generate a window containing the embed code for your video. The code will typically be highlighted, ready for you to copy. Go ahead and copy this code. You can then place this code into the HTML of your website or any platform that supports HTML embedding, allowing you to display the video wherever you need. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained the embed code for your Google Drive video. This process allows you to effectively share your video content across multiple platforms, making it more visible and accessible to a broader audience. Remember this method for future projects, or share it with friends and colleagues who might also find it beneficial. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to get the Google Drive video embed code quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.